remove the reason why these trees are to be cut.
They have the unique green building model concept and follows the mission of saving trees.
Planting a tree requires 20 to 25 years, and the second way is not to cut the trees.
When we talk about the environment, we can't go around chopping down all the woods.
Mainly the trees are to be cut for two reasons. One for land and other is for the furniture and building material. For a normal living condition, there should be a 33% green cover on the earth. And as per the government data in India, we have a 7% green cover. In my opinion, cutting a tree should be a crime. With the inspiration of my father, late Professor S.S. Dahabaria, who was an environmentalist, we took a word, save trees. He was working for the environment and nature. Planting a tree requires 20 to 25 years, and the second way is not to cut remove the reason why these trees are to be cut. I have an immense love for the horses also, because horse and nature is the lifeline. Jaipur is considered as the Makkah of the polo. So I am also associated with the polo game, and I play polo, and we have launched a Bollywood team. By this, we are contributing to the heritage of our city, Jaipur. I have started a product range, which is a wood substitute product. In 1992 we have registered a company. In 1993 we have started our company. In 1995 we have started our production with the wet area doors, which are with the brand name of Polywood. Polymer-based wood substitute products.
Wood was a popular material, but we had already started facing problems with regards to the availability of wood, because the number of projects, the size of projects were demanding a lot of wood to be used. So that's where the relevance of Mr. Dahabaria's product comes into being, because what he did was he started replacing a lot of usage of wood by creating replica products in polymers.
All the polymers are non-biodegradable. They have no effect of water, they have no effect of termites, borers, fungus, etc. There are very less effect of environmental changes on the product. Then above all, they are fire retardants. We are engaged from last 20 years continuously in the R&D activities, and I am very proud to say that Polywood have developed many new designs, new colors, new range of products in Indian market.
Market for this is already very prominent in Western countries like America, whole of Europe, but India is still a very developing market, and I'm sure it's gonna only grow. with a manpower of about 500 people and a production capacity of 500 tons per month, we use the most advanced technologies and cutting-edge machinery to produce the best quality PVC doors and wall panels. To provide our customers with the best products, we cannot compromise the quality of materials we use at any level of the production process. So after the procurement of the best quality raw materials, we use them all in precisely controlled quantities to prepare a heated mixture in powdered form for further processing. The mixture is then feeded into an extrusion machine which melts it and pushes it through a die to give it a particular shape in solid form. Making such dies requires very high dimensional accuracy and surface finish. Therefore, to obtain such perfect quality, we create our dies in-house. This material, after passing through the die and taking up a solid form, is quickly cooled down using chilled water at 5 degrees Celsius, which comes through our chilling plant that has a capacity of 80 refrigeration tons. Now, over the PVC profiles obtained, a pattern is printed and cured for 1 minute under ultraviolet light to give it glossy and smooth surface finish along with scratch resistant nature. And over the PVC profiles obtained, a membrane is pasted to give it a premium look as well as a texture. These finished profiles are then carefully inspected for quality, securely packed and placed in the godown from where they are dispatched to a huge network of dealers and distributors across the country. These packed sections, which constitute more than 150 types in over 250 designs, are then used to create premium quality UPVC doors and windows, which are supplemented with a variety of top quality hardware and reinforcement to fulfill every need. Cost-effective PVC doors, decorative wall panels, beautiful garden fencing, and an attractive range of furniture.
आज की तारीख में हमारे पास जो रेंज है सेक्शन एंड कलर की, वो इंडिया में सबसे वाइड रेंज है। किसी भी और कंपनी के पास इतनी बड़ी रेंज नहीं है। फर्नीचर एंड डोर में जो मटेरियल चाहिए, सब तरह की बिल्डिंग्स, सारे सेक्शंस, सारे कॉर्नर हमारे पास सारे मिल जाएंगे। हमारे पास में 250 कलर से ज़्यादा आज की तारीख में कलर रेंज है, जो इंडिया में किसी कंपनी के पास में, सिंगल कंपनी के पास नहीं है।
And now we use a wide range of his products, and of course I strongly recommend it because it is actually helping us save in a variety of ways.
The contribution of Mr. Dhabaria is concerned in construction industry. I think that is tremendous. I must say that this is a commendable job.
And we used his product because it was eco-friendly, green materials. I would say it's very nice idea.
This company is having everything in-house, starting from the profiles, strengthenings, toughening of glass, or fittings and fixtures. So everything is available under one roof. So that is the advantage. So if we look into the conventional systems like the wooden doors, windows, or the aluminum doors, windows, or steel doors and windows, they are time consuming. Where this is a new product and people have used it, we are also using in majority of our projects in Gurgaon as well as outstations also. As of now, wherever it has been used, I haven't seen them a replacement before.
From the last 20 years, our company is growing consistently. Future of our company is very bright. And we are in such a business where we are saving 5 to 7 lakh trees. We are very happy and we are very proud of it. So this is how we are just doing the business. We are doing this service to the society and we are doing the service to the nation also.